Welcome to Hot Puri's Kitchen, Living and Gardening. This recipe is the traditional Motichoor laddu, which will be prepared in an easy way. So let's start with the recipe.
This is known as chana dal in Hindi language. In English, it is known as Bengal gram lentils. So taking around 250 grams of chana dal, around 1 cup. Washing the lentils at least 3-4 times and soaking them for overnight or for 6 hours.
After the lentils are pre-soaked for enough time, now it's time to grind these lentils to a smooth paste. In these lentils, we do not have to add any salt as we do while cooking the chana vada, because this is not a savory, we are making a sweet dish. So this is the actual consistency which will be needed for this recipe. A little bit coarse. Use as little water as possible considering the capacity of your grinder. Now it's time to fry medium-sized vadas or fritters. The oil should be very hot.
By the way, if you want to learn the ins and outs of cooking vegan, gluten-free, vegetarian, authentic and tested recipes, please subscribe.
You can pour the batter either with your hands or with the help of a spoon. So these vada need not to be necessarily of perfect round shape. It will take around 5 minutes for these vada to be perfectly crispy and thoroughly cooked. So once these fritters or vadas are thoroughly cooked or fried, we have to break them to little pieces so that they can cool down easily, and it's also easy for us to grind them again. After this step, our next step is to prepare a sugar syrup just suitable for this recipe. So here is brown sugar. You have choice to choose either brown sugar or this jaggery powder, or even palm sugar is also good. So this is 2 cup, and to this I am adding jaggery powder. This is 3 cups of sugar, which is around 600 grams. So I'm taking 1 cup of water. If it is 3 cups of sugar, then the water should be 1 cup. Now to give these laddus a more aromatic flavor, I am adding saffron, around 1/4 teaspoon with the till water added. This goes straight into the sugar syrup we are preparing. If you wish to give these laddus more rich color, you may add the food coloring. You may choose yellow food coloring or orange food coloring. So dilute it first with 4 to 5 drops of water. The sugar syrup is getting thicker and thicker, and we need to check on the consistency of the sugar. Let it boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. Our sugar syrup is almost done. If you want to check this sugar syrup, then it should be of 1 thread consistency. Do this, what I am doing, 2-3 times, and a thread will form. So it's of 1 thread, if you can see. Mixing in the sugar syrup gradually. Because this syrup is very hot, take care not to use your hands at this point of time. So mix this gradually.
I'm still left with around 1/4 cup of sugar syrup. I didn't add all of the sugar syrup. The mixture is just right to bind the laddus now. This mixture should not be too much soaked up with the syrup.
Once this mixture is of the right temperature and you can handle this mixture, you may start binding the laddus. Press the mixture and roll it into a laddu.
You can easily store this motichoor laddus in the refrigerator for around a week.
The traditional Indian Motichoor laddus are ready for this special Diwali.